Hello folks, we have our geometry workshop coming up very shortly. It's going to be our most comprehensive workshop, that part. We're going to cover geometry, trigonometry, mensuration and coordinate geometry. It's going to happen over 3 days. And so October 2nd, 4th and 5th. 5th is the real big deal where we do a full day of sessions. Geometry is a wonderful topic and it's a topic that's learned iteratively. It sets the tone for coordinate geometry, trigonometry, mensuration. So we're going to put everything together. Geometry is learned by doing theory, consolidating simple elements, then doing slightly trickier or more challenging questions. So, because that's the process for doing geometry, we're going to follow something very similar. On October 2nd, which happens to be the Vijayadashmi day, we're going to do learning of theory for geometry. We're going to do theory slightly differently. Theory 1 and theory 2. Theory 1 will be theory. Theory 2 where we'll focus a little bit more on proofs. Put at 3 hours, but I think it's probably going to be 2 to 2.5 hours. So this is not going to be the heavy session. And what we're going to do, we're going to do everything starting from simple parallel lines, triangles, circles, quadrilaterals, polygons, and starting point of trigonometry. Not going to do theory of coordinate geometry, mensuration, but cover all of this and then revisit it from slightly different angle to set all the building blocks in place. After which we go and do a really quick test and discussion thing on Saturday, October 4th. This will be Saturday evening, 5:30 to 8:30 or 5:30 to 8, about 2 to 2.5 hours. That's the idea we have. Where we'll do a bunch of questions, which should be on autopilot. Where you plug in a formula, write the answer, do 2 steps, simplify something, find the answer. So all the theory we've learned, we'll plug that back in. The real big deal comes on October 5th. This is a Sunday. We're going to do 4 tests and 4 discussions. So geometry, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, and then one more geometry, then PYQ. As usual, this will be intense. We have planned it for 8 hours. By our own record, I can tell you it's probably slip over into 9 hours. So you should have your protein shakes and energy boosters and coffee and tea and masala chai and dum chai and everything ready for October 5. So what you're going to do on October 2nd and 4th is really to set the stage for October 5. And so this is going to be the intense day. Geometry is a beautiful topic. It's a fun topic to learn if learned in the right way. It's a topic that's not tested too heavily. It's about 3-4 questions put together. But sometimes it can be a game changer because out of the 3-4 questions, you can get 1 or 2 of them just in half a minute, 1 minute, because you know the funda, you're plugging it in, you're getting the answer. There isn't too much of solving 2 quadratic equations to get to an answer. Just look at it, you know the funda, you plug it in, you get the answer. So sometimes being sound in geometry can give you a speed advantage, a time advantage, which is massive. So it's not something that you can just let go easily. And we're going to cover it from ground up to the whole shebang completely. Right? How to register, where exact schedules, everything is available on the link given below. Look forward to seeing quite a few of you. Best wishes for Cat.